Hey guys, I look horrible, but it's raining again. Yeah, it's good. Okay. Um, but yeah, it's still raining, as you can see. Starting back up. And I just have my water, and I look horrible. I only drink water, pretty much. But like if we're going to like a restaurant, I'll usually get soda. We don't go to restaurants a lot, because Lucky, it's rain. You like it. You like the rain, don't you? Yeah, he likes the rain, so don't comment below. Oh my god, little man, he's cold. It's not cold. It feels good. Arizona. Aw, don't cry. Don't cry. You like it. You want to scratch on the door. Like I said, he only scratches on the door when he wants to go in. But he's not scratching on the door. So I guess that means he don't want to go in. And I'm getting wet. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, I'm just sitting out here, not getting wet anymore. Lucky! Come here! In case you didn't know his name, that's his name. Yeah, that's his name. That's his thunder, really? This early in the morning, there's thunder? That's correct. I'm just gonna keep the camera on until it dies, so you guys can see what I do all day. Nothing, pretty much. Where'd he go? There he is. This lipstick. One night we made marshmallows in the thingy over there. Oh, it was good. It was good. We had the mini chocolate bars and the marshmallows and the graham crackers, and we just melted it, and it was good. I haven't had ice cream in a month or two, because I don't really want any. Not in the mood for ice cream. If you guys have any questions about my hair, just comment below, and I will definitely answer them for you. And then in a video called Ask Trinity, you can comment below in this video, comment below this video because I'm gonna have an Ask Trinity video out, so you can ask me questions that you want to know about me. So yeah, comment below the question because that's gonna be my next video, a Ask Trinity video. What? Come here. Come here. Lucky, come here. Did you just eat a flower? Say hi, people. Okay. Yeah, you're not allowed to be on the table, but I'm your mommy. So I said it. This is Lucky. He likes it up here because he can't get wet because I like this balcony thing over. Our house is like the whitest house. Everyone else's house is like normal colors. Oh, you're cute. You're so cute. Don't be scared. I know his scared face, and it's so sad. His scared face. You want to get down, face? You want to get down? Okay. I'll let you down. That was cute. I'm so sick of